Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it is time for my Stitch Fix. Always such a fun box to open to see what I get, and if you'd like to see what I got and see a try on, keep on watching. Okay, let's see what is inside the Stitch Fix burrito. It's a smaller box, which I'm assuming there's probably not any shoes. It's not super big, which is fine. I don't think I've ever kept a shoes from Stitch Fix, although, I don't know, I've used some tennis shoes. Anyway, if you are unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, I'll leave all that information down below. You pay a $20 styling fee and your stylist sends you 5 articles of clothing that you can try on in your home and then decide to keep. That $20 styling fee goes towards your purchase if you decide to keep anything, but again, no risk or obligation. If you don't purchase anything, you lose your $20 styling fee. But that's it. So I really enjoyed Stitch Fix and getting some new pieces. As always, there's an envelope inside that you can just throw everything in and send it off. Really easy, really easy. So Cassandra is my, oh, there is shoes. Box got me all surprised. So oh, it is not Cassandra this month, it is Kate. So that's exciting. And it says, hi Sarah, it is my birthday month. So she says, happy birthday month. It's mine too, that's awesome. As you have some fun concerts coming up, I started your fix with the Lush black bodysuit that would be perfectly paired with the distressed jeans, necklace, and flats that I had pinned on my Pinterest board. Awesome. So she said there's florals, a fabulous print for spring. So she included something with florals on it. She sized up for a better fit because she, I think, had noticed that my chest gives me issues with some tops. And there's another top that I liked from the styling game, which is a tool that we use online. If you want more details about that, you can leave a comment down below and I can tell you about that. So yeah, it says, I hope you're having a simply amazing month celebrating the wonderful woman you are, Kate. So I don't have Cassandra, I have Kate, and so let's see how she did. If you're new here, I go through everything, give my first impression, and then I try everything on and then let you know what I end up keeping. If I haven't made any decisions, I leave all of the information down below with everything that's in my box, as well as the prices. You can request any of these items from your stylist if you find something that you really like. That's why I leave it down below. And then I leave a little asterisk down below after all the items of what I actually decided to keep, or if I exchange something for a different size. So with all that being said, let's get on. Okay, so let's start with the shoes. Now she said these are from my Pinterest board, and did she say these are the Sam Edelman Rodney printed calf ... I'm assuming it's calf hair. These are in the size of 7.5 and they retail for $120. Oh my gosh, you guys, so stinking cute. Now here is the issue. I have been wanting a pair of these kind of leopard pointed flats, and I did purchase a pair on Nordstroms.com by Steve Madden. They were not nearly as pricey, but these are so cute. Do you need 2 pairs of leopard flats? Some may say yes, and I may agree. So we'll see how these go on. The $120, I can't necessarily say I can justify having 2 very similar pairs of leopard flats, but you never know. It's my birthday month. I can do what I want, right? Okay, so next up, oh, this is actually really cute, and I like this shirt, and it is by THML. It's called the Katherine Palm Trim Off the Shoulder Top. It retails for $58. It's actually pretty cute. Now, I don't know. It's cute, again, but I don't know how often I would wear this. I love the color. Off the shoulder kind of goes 50-50 for me. It either looks really good or not so good. I don't know. With the chest, sometimes it makes you just look bigger. But again, this is what I love about Stitch Fix, is that you try these things on and sometimes it totally surprises you, and so it gets me out of my comfort zone, that's for sure. I just love that mustard yellow color. Now here is, and she did say this, it's the Lush Sammi cutout bodysuit. Now girlfriends, I have not worn a bodysuit since probably the 90s, probably junior high, when I was a lot tinier, and I'm pretty sure it was plaid with colored jeans. Now bodysuits are definitely making a comeback. It's all about the 90s, but I just haven't gotten there yet, and I don't know that my body is in any way, shape, or form ready for a bodysuit. However, I also like to be on trend, so you never know. And so this is actually cute. So the top is like this. It is actually pretty heavy duty. It's not thin, which is really nice, because if you're older like me and you want some stuff to hide a really thin material, it's probably not your best bet, because it's already going to be super form-fitting and you just don't need something that's going to show everything, right? So here it is like that, and then the back crosses and it has a little keyhole opening, and I mean, hello everyone, there's the bodysuit. So again, I'm excited to try this on. I can't guarantee it's gonna look good. Again, I don't know that I have a body to actually pull it off, but I'm excited to try, because I have actually been seeing a lot of people wearing these, and I'm super jealous and envious, so it's worth a shot. You just never know, right? Okay, the next top is, this is the Skies Are Blue Heidi cold shoulder ruffle blouse, and this retails for $54. This is actually cuter than I thought it was gonna be. Now, I'm not a huge floral prince. The cold shoulder is really cute. I like that in the back it does this kind of crisscross. It's really sheer, which I'm not a big fan of these like super sheer materials, because again, I am super self-conscious of my body and just like showing through, but I actually really like that. It's not anything like I have in my closet, so it may be a nice addition. And the last piece are the Just USA Darcy Frey Hemp Crop Skinny Jean. These retail for $58, and they're a nice, I've never tried this brand, Just USA, so I'm excited to see how they fit. I love the darker color, and then it has just a few pieces of flare. They're not super frayed at the bottom. They kind of have these weird like indents, and the weird thing is it looks like they just like cut this out, because they're very symmetrical. Like, it's the same on the front, they have the same holes on the front and the back, but when you're wearing them, it's not gonna really matter, right? So these are cute, and I just personally really like Stitch Fix denim. I have been a tried and true like designer brand jeans. I love Paige, Hudson. I go for those brands, and because one, I like them, and two, they fit really well. But Stitch Fix has some amazing jeans that they put in their boxes that fit so well, and mine are all cropped. I'm short, I'm only 5'3", so they're really good. I haven't had to have anything get hemmed. So yeah, so let's get to the try on. Okay, so this, sorry you can see, this is the first shirt. Now sorry, I'm wearing my pajama. This is just okay. I don't think it's awful, but I also don't see myself getting a lot of use out of it. So I don't know, it's a lot for me, and I do appreciate getting these kind of different fun pieces, but I have to look at the practicality of where I'm going, what I'm doing, and I just don't foresee that I wear this that often. So let's try out the next one. So here is the next shirt, and it's this yellow shirt. I just don't think it's that flattering. The shape is just okay. I don't think it's the cutest print. I don't think it's the cutest color. I don't love it. So I think this is a no too. Okay, the bodysuit. It's like this. This is the back tag. right here. So I don't have any pants on. Okay, so a few things about this. One, if you're bigger chested like I am, wearing a bra like this wearing a top like this with a bra is not going to be easy. Just because it's off the shoulders and the back is open. Second of all, I don't think it's actually made that well. This is doing like the elastic is just not laying right, so I don't like that. And then I tried this on and then went into the bathroom to see what it looked like, and it showed everything. Like, you could see through this material. So at first I was like, oh, I like it because it's pretty well made, it seems thick, but it's not. So you can see everything through it when it shines in the sun. It's like that black material. If you wear like not a black bra with it, you could see it in pictures with the flashbacks. So no, big no. No. So now I have these jeans on. Probably, I don't like the way they're bunching at my ankles. If you can see, I do like the distressing in the color. These are probably the worst fitting jeans I've ever gotten in Stitch Fix, quite frankly. They are not comfortable, they are not stretchy, they don't feel good on. They feel like tight and then baggy in weird places like around the ankle. I don't like them. I'm not impressed. These are a hard no. Okay, and this is the shoe. They're cute. I love this brand, Sam Edelman. Yeah. Sorry that there's weird shadows right there. So the Sam Edelman shoe, I love Sam Edelman shoes. I own a lot of them. I really like them. They're very comfortable, but I can't justify when I spent probably $80 on another pair of leopard flats that are pointy, exactly the same. They're the same kind of like, I want to say like cow hair or whatever, like some kind of hair. $120. And I actually originally asked for these other shoes through Stitch Fix and they weren't able to find them, and then I found them on, I think, either Amazon or Nordstrom's, and I purchased them on my own because I'm impatient like that. So it just, something like a leopard flat is not something I need two of. One is just fine. And the other ones that I have by Steam are actually a little bit more comfortable. So overall, it was a good shot. Kate did a good job. She tried to find some stuff that would be fun for my birthday month, fun for some concert seasons, because that's where I had written in my note that I'm heading to concert season. I'm just all concert. I have a few that I'm seeing this month. But nothing just was really, you know, spoke to me. Nothing fit me that well. Nothing that was really me. And that happens sometimes. I mean, it is what it is. I'm having good luck with Cassandra. I really do like Kate though. I think she did a lot of research. She literally looked into my profile and my Instagram and really heard what I had to say about the pieces that I didn't really like last time. So it was good. But just this one was a miss, and that happened. So I look forward to trying this again in a month or so, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love making these Stitch Fix videos for you guys. If you're interested in Stitch Fix, hit the link down below, and then there's all the information. If you've not yet done so, you guys, please subscribe. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, and that is my goal. And also hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.